My name is Matt Mathias and I'm part of the team at ERS Cymru. In 2021, a law was passed in Wales to allow councils to choose their own electoral system. At the moment, in Wales, we use first past the post. The other option is single transferable vote, usually abbreviated to STV. It's a fairer system and it allows more voices to be heard, and surely that's what democracy should be about. It's a system that's used all over the world, but it's used in Scotland for local elections. And that's why I'm here in East Ayrshire to talk to candidates, councillors, activists and voters to find out what they think about the system. Throughout my time in Scotland, I'm going to be producing films to show how STV works. If you are interested, please subscribe, and if you want to know more, please get in touch.